welcome to the introduction of ऑनलाइन फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजरी मास्टरी। ये सिर्फ एक कोर्स नहीं है, ये एक पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है आपको जीरो से एक स्टार्टअप की तरफ ले जाने। ये पूरा सिस्टम को आप ध्यान से समझिएगा। ये मेरा एक्सक्लूसिव स्टार्टअप बिल्डिंग सिस्टम है इन दी स्पेस ऑफ फिनटेक एंड फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो ऑनलाइन फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर मास्टरी फ्रॉम सोलोप्रेन्योर टू स्टार्टअप, मतलब आप शुरुआत करेंगे एक सोलोप्रेन्योर की तरह और इसको अगले 5 साल में स्टार्टअप के लेवल पे ले जाएंगे जो कि मल्टी स्टेट और नेशनल लेवल पे अपने ऑपरेशंस करेगा। आइए समझते हैं एक एक कंपोनेंट को। सबसे पहले, चूंकि आप 20s में है, अभी कंफ्यूज्ड है कि बिजनेस करें तो कौन सा करें, सबसे पहले समझें कि हमें 20s में स्टार्टअप क्यों शुरू करना चाहिए, इतनी छोटी उम्र में स्टार्टअप क्यों शुरू करना चाहिए। एनर्जी एंड एंथुसियाज्म। आप अभी अपनी लाइफ के सबसे ज्यादा एनर्जी और एंथुसियाज्म पे हैं। जैसे जैसे आपकी एज बढ़ती जाएगी एनर्जी और एंथुसियाज्म कम होता जाएगा और बिजनेस में जितनी एनर्जी और एंथुसियाज्म चाहिए वो आपके पास में है। फ्यूअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, आपके ऊपर बहुत कम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है जो कि एक मैरिड पर्सन के ऊपर या एडल्ट पर्सन जो 40 में या 50 में है उससे बहुत कम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आपके पास है। इससे आप ज़्यादा काम अच्छे से और तेजी से और बढ़िया कर सकते। बाउंडलेस एनर्जी एंड कैफिनेटेड एंथुसियाज्म, आपके पास जो एनर्जी है उसकी लिमिट नहीं है। आप बहुत लॉन्ग आवर्स काम भी कर सकते हैं, ज़्यादा समय तक काम कर सकते हैं और ज़्यादा तेज़ी से कर सकते हैं। और इसमें आपका एंथुसियाज्म, आपका पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड और आपका काम सीखने की गति जो है वो आपको आगे बढ़ाती है। डॉजिंग एडल्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज लाइक अ प्रो, आप जो एडल्ट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है उनको बड़ी आसानी से हैंडल करते हुए या अवॉइड करते हुए एक प्रोफेशनल की तरफ बढ़ सकते हैं। सो यू कैन डेवलप लाइक अ प्रो। मास्टर ऑफ लर्निंग ऑन द फ्लाई, आप बहुत तेजी से सीखते हैं। आप मोबाइल से सीख सकते हैं, आप लैपटॉप से सीख सकते हैं, अपने चारों तरफ जो लोग हैं यंगस्टर्स हैं उनसे भी सीख सकते हैं और आपकी सीखने की रफ्तार बहुत तेज है। ब्रोक बट ब्लिसफुली केयर फ्री, आप केयर फ्री भी हैं। कई बार यंगस्टर्स को ये कहा जाता है कि वो केयरलेस है, लेकिन यही उनकी एक बड़ी ताकत है क्योंकि इससे वो रिस्क लेना जानते हैं, वो अपने कदम 4 गुना आगे बढ़ाना जानते हैं। नेटवर्किंग लाइक अ सोशल बटरफ्लाई, आप अपने इस समय में सबसे ज़्यादा दोस्तों से घिरे हुए होते हैं, सबसे ज़्यादा लोगों से आपका संपर्क रहता है, लेकिन इससे पहले बचपन में आपके कम दोस्त होते हैं और इसमें आगे 30s और 40s में आपके दोस्त और कम रह जाएंगे। आपका अभी सोशल नेटवर्क जो है वो सबसे बड़ा होता है। फेलियर इज जस्ट अ प्लॉट ट्विस्ट इन योर सक्सेस स्टोरी। तो आपकी जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी है या बिजनेस करने की जर्नी है उसमें कई फेलियर्स आएंगे, तो वो फेलियर्स आपको रोक नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि वो जरा सी आपकी सक्सेस स्टोरी में छोटे छोटे ट्विस्ट हैं और उन सक्सेस स्टोरी की ब्यूटी ही ट्विस्ट की वजह से आती है। तो दैट इज व्हाई यू विल एंजॉय द जर्नी ऑफ बिल्डिंग योर बिजनेस स्टार्टअप फिनटेक बिजनेस मॉडल। आप टेक सेवी हैं दैट वुड मेक यू योर पेरेंट्स प्राउड। आप टेक्नोलॉजी में सबसे आगे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत तेजी से सीखते हैं और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं और उसी की वजह से आपके पेरेंट्स जो है वो आप पे प्राउड महसूस करते हैं। एम्ब्रेसिंग केओस विद अ विंग, आपके चारों तरफ केओटिक सिचुएशन होती है तो आप एडल्ट लोगों की तरह परेशान नहीं होते हैं, जबकि उसको हैंडल करने के लिए हैंडल करते हैं और उसको एंजॉय भी करते हैं। तो दैट इज व्हाट इन 20s यू हैव। गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट काउंट मी, गवर्नमेंट भी यंगस्टर्स को आगे बढ़ने में सपोर्ट कर रही है। पहले नौकरियों की बात हुआ करती थी, आज गवर्नमेंट बात करती है स्टार्टअप्स के बिजनेस की और उसके लिए बहुत सारे एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर क्रिएट किए जा रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा जिससे आप लोग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में आए और आप रोजगार देने लगे। ड्रीमिंग बिग एमिंग हायर, जब आप 20s में होते हैं तो आपकी इमेजिनेशन जो है बहुत बड़ी होती है, तो आप बड़े ड्रीम्स सोच सकते हैं और बड़ी चीज़ों को टारगेट कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए आपको 20s में अपना स्टार्टअप सोचना चाहिए। नाउ फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजरी मॉडल की जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उसमें मिलियनर फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर्स हैं जिनसे मैं आपको रूबरू कराना चाहता हूँ। ये फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर्स भी 20s की एज में ही इन्होंने अपना काम स्टार्ट किया था, अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था और आज वो बहुत बड़े मुकाम पे हैं, करोड़ों की इनकी नेटवर्थ है। तो आइए समझते हैं एक एक करके। तो 2 तरह के एडवाइजर्स के हम एग्जांपल लेंगे, मेल एंड फीमेल। तो पहले समझते हैं मेल फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर्स जिन्होंने बहुत ज़बरदस्त फिनटेक मॉडल्स डेवलप किए और काम किए। ऋषभ पारेख, ऑल्सो नोन एज द फाइनेंशियल डॉक्टर, he is a prominent financial advisor who achieved success in his 20s. He is the founder of Money Plant Consultancy and has gained recognition for his expertise in personal finance, tax planning and investment advisory service. Harsh Jain, another notable financial advisor who made a mark in his 20s. He co-founded Grow App, a popular investment platform in India which provides easy access to mutual funds, stocks and other investment options. Jain's innovative approach to simplifying investing has garnered attention and resulted in rapid growth of his platform. तो हर्ष जैन भी बहुत ही शानदार फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर है. अंकुर चौधरी is a successful financial advisor and entrepreneur who started his journey in his early 20s. He is the founder of Goalwise, an online mutual fund investing platform that focuses on goal-based investing. Chaudhary's dedication to provide personalized investment solutions has earned him recognition in the financial industry. अब बात करते हैं कुछ फीमेल सक्सेसफुल फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर्स. राधिका गुप्ता, a notable financial advisor who achieved success in her 20s. She is the CEO of Edelweiss Asset Management Limited, one of the India's leading asset management companies. Gupta's expertise in wealth management and investment strategies have made her a respectable figure in the financial industry. Ankita Tanna is a renowned financial advisor and a wealth coach who started her success career in her 20s. She is the founder of A&V Advisory, a financial planning and investment advisory firm. Tanna is known for her comprehensive financial planning approach and has helped numerous individuals and families to achieve their financial. Firoz Aziz, a prominent female financial advisor who made her mark in her 20s. She is the deputy CEO of Anand Rathi Financial Services and has been recognized for her expertise in wealth management, investment advisory and financial planning. Aziz has played a pivotal role in guiding clients towards financial success and empowering them to make informed investment decisions. तो ये बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल है और इन्होंने सब ने अपने 20s में अपना स्टार्टअप शुरू किया, फिनटेक बिजनेस शुरू किया और आज ये करोड़पति की. फ्रेंड्स, वाई फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर 2023 में फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजरी बिजनेस पे ही हमें क्यों जाना चाहिए, इसके क्या बेनिफिट्स है, क्यों अभी बिल्कुल सही समय है इस फील्ड में, इस सेक्टर में उतरने का. आइए समझ. ग्रोइंग डिमांड. द नंबर ऑफ हाई नेटवर्थ individuals in India is projected to increase by 73% by 2025, creating a significant demand for financial advisory. 73% इंक्रीज हो जाएगा 2025 में हाई नेटवर्थ इंडिविजुअल्स की संख्या का इंडिया में. तो उनको कैटर करने के लिए बड़ी संख्या में फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर्स चाहिए जो कि प्रोफेशनली क्वालिफाइड हो और उनके लेवल की, उनके स्टैंडर्ड की एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज दे सके. एक्सपेंडिंग मिडिल क्लास. इंडियाज मिडिल क्लास पॉपुलेशन इज expanding and it is set to reach 547 million by 2025, driving the need for professional financial guidance among individuals with rising disposable income. Source: World Economic Forum. Favorable regulations. India's regulatory environment has seen positive developments such as the implementation of SEBI's investment advisors regulations, which enhance the investor protection and build trust in the financial advisory sector. Increasing financial literacy. India's financial literacy rate has improved from 20% in 2014 to 24% in 2020, highlighting the growing awareness among individuals about the importance of financial planning. Source: Standards and Poor's Global Financial Literacy Survey. Diverse investment options. India's financial markets offer a wide range of investment options including mutual funds, stocks and alternative instruments, allowing financial advisors to help clients create diversified portfolios aligned with their goals. Technology advancements. Robo-advisors and digital platforms have made financial advice more accessible and efficient, with digital payments in India projected to reach $135 billion by 2023. Source: Reserve Bank of India. Positive impact. Financial advisors play a crucial role in empowering individuals to make informed financial decisions, contributing to their overall financial well-being. Long-term client relationship. Building strong client relationships based on personalized services and understanding unique needs enhances client loyalty and increases referral. Flexible and autonomy. Starting a financial advisory business in India offers flexibility and autonomy in tailoring services to meet individual preferences. Growth and profitability. The expanding financial market in India provides opportunity for financial advisors to grow their business and increase profitability over time. So now, who am I? Let us understand about me. First, My education, I'm a Bachelor of Science graduate and Master of Business Administration in Finance and Marketing. My certifications, I'm a Certified Business Analytics Professional, Certified in Predictive Analytics from IMX Bangalore, Certified in Macroeconomic Forecasting from IMFX, Certified in Text Analytics from OpenSAP, Licentiate Certified Insurance Institute of India. Experience between 2002 and 2006, worked with Berger Paints, ICFI National College, Bikaner branch and Ajmer branch, and IABM Bikaner. 2006 onwards, Development Officer with LIC of India. My thought leadership, believe in technology application in business, creating online resources to empower my team, focus on productivity from long term to daily basis. My achievements, created more than 125 financial advisors solopreneurs, created 120 financial advisors solopreneur with income of rupees 10 lakh or less, created 5 millionaire solopreneurs. My publication, apart from many articles, I would like to mention a book which I published on Amazon store that is available on Kindle, 80 social media posts for financial advisors and development of present workplace, LIC of India, branch 2, Sadurganj, Bikaner. My family, my father, retired class 1 officer, DM cadre from in LIC of India. My mother, she is a dedicated housewife. My sister, she is a lawyer in High Court of Rajasthan, Jaipur. My wife, she is a dedicated teacher at university and hard-working housewife. My children, my daughter studying in 6th standard, always keep making us smile. My son, a serious guy with tons of curiosity. My areas of interest, digital transformation of businesses, wealth management and growth, machine learning and AI, smart and productivity concept. Now, what is my objective? So, why I have launched online financial advisory mastery module? So my objective is to build class of financial advisor who are expert in portfolio management, investment analysis, financial planning, risk assessment, and scale their operations to national level startup in 5 years. Why online? Why I am not emphasizing on offline? Why I am putting pressures on online mode? So let us understand this. Customers are online now, and if you are using your mobile phone every day, hours and hours you are surfing through, that means you are online, people are online around you, and the world is online. So advisory, financial advisory must also be online. Government is encouraging fintech for faster and better financial inclusion. Government wants to spread financial products reach to every nook and corner of India so that it can secure people's life. So government is encouraging this sector and they are promoting fintechs to come up in India and do business. Huge opportunity in wealth tech sector because income is rising, and due to income rise there are opportunities to invest in multiple assets. So there is a wealth creation opportunity there, but people need guidance, and their wealth tech sector is emerging very fast to help the client. Business income. What business income you can expect? In first year of operations in online financial advisory module, you will be able to earn income rupees 1 lakh to rupees 5 lakh per month. 150 clients you can nurture. HNI, NRI and aspiring middle class will be your target segment. $1 million round table club should be the achievement level standard. Now in this second year of operations, you can expect a business income of rupees 6 lakh to 10 lakh per month. Assets under management would go to up to rupees 50 crore. 450 clients you will be managing. Center of the table club, that is higher than the $1 million round table club. So one ladder up achievement you have. In the third year of operations, you can achieve income of rupees 10 lakh to rupees 25 lakh per month. 600 clients you are going to manage. Assets under management rupees 100 crore or more, and top of the table club member you will be having as a achievement standard. Now let's talk about the fintech business model, how you will be developing your business model to create the customers and then finally getting the revenue and business and income out of. So this fintech business model has many aspects. Let us understand one by one. Lead generation system. The number one thing for every business is a lead generation system. So what lead generation system will be having? Let us understand. Personal branding will be created for lead generation system. That is the first step. Now in personal branding, you will be having a website, and this website will have minimal design of 4 pages only. Now what these 4 pages will be? Hero page, blog, courses and contact. Then business pages on various social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google My Business, Instagram and Twitter and many other we can add. Then professional photos. Professional photos will be there to build your personal branding. Name, logo and punchline. Your name will be used to create a logo and a punchline which will click with the audience which you want to target. Then mission statement. Every business based on personal branding has a mission statement, so we will define a mission statement that will resonate with your target audience. Then professional email ID. Then digital assets you need to develop that we will tell you and teach you how to build. Then lead generation pipeline. Now circle of influence and reference will be the first lead generation pipeline. Then Facebook, then Instagram, then LinkedIn, Google My Business, Quora, Pinterest, WhatsApp and Telegram and YouTube. So these will be the lead generation pipelines where we'll be posting content to drive the leads and people will call us for the business. Then content marketing system. Lead generation will happen only when we have content marketing in place. So what content marketing system will be there? Let us understand. Educational content will be posting and pain points content posting. I am best solution content will be posted and social proof content will be posted. So these 4 types of content will be posted for content marketing. Then finally convert a lead into prospect, into a client. We will have godfather of our content. So this will have the conversion of a lead into the client. Attraction marketing tools. So free resources will be developing, toolkits, templates, cheat sheet, checklist, infographics, ebooks, email newsletter, workbooks, free webinar, Facebook live events, YouTube content, white papers, industry report, free one-to-one consulting, free trial and free demo. So these will be the attraction marketing tools to get the people get interested into our business and interact with us. Now the lead generation system is over. The second stage is lead data management system we need to develop, because lead generation system will get you many contacts. So how to manage the data which is coming into our system. So WhatsApp broadcast list we will create. We'll create Telegram group, we'll create Facebook group, and we will create private community membership where all the leads coming in will be managed in these 4 types of lead data management system. Now lead nurturing system. So when the leads are coming there, they are now into your groups, but all the people will not buy at same point of time. So we need to nurture those leads so that they keep getting some stimuli from our side and the buying behavior develops and ultimately they convert into sales. So lead nurturing system will be there. Now how it will work? That first we'll have an email marketing sequence that will be given in their email box. In the email marketing sequence will be firing up regular mails in the mail IDs of leads. Now there are 3 different types of email sequences we can create. Those people who have just entered, we call them top of the funnel. So for top of the funnel, what kind of a content we need? So that we will create pre-sales email sequence, tell your story, actionable tips, and then finally your unique solution. So 4 different types of email will be sent to the leads. That is first the tell your story, then action tips, then again a mail containing action tips, then again containing action tips, then finally what solution you provide which is unique and they will not find it any other platform or with any other individual. So that will stimulate him from cold towards becoming hot prospect for sales conversion. Then middle of the funnel content, the customers who have shown their interest but still they are not buying. So for them we again have a mail sequence, welcome note after download of lead magnet. So we'll be providing lead magnet if they download it. That means they have shown better interest than the top of the funnel content audience. So now when they have downloaded the lead magnet, that means they are more interested. So we'll provide them another free tool, then urgency to take action, a free checklist, or welcome as a customer or another lead magnet. So if he gets converted into customer, then we'll give him a welcome email, or if he gets if he's still delaying it, then we'll again send another lead magnet so that his interest carries on with. Bottom of funnel content, white paper, case studies, buyer's guide and product comparison, FAQs and product tours. So these will be the mail sequences will be sent to initiate their buying behavior and getting them into the action mode. Then bottom of funnel, nurture content. Sometimes people are ready to buy, but somehow for some reasons, for some little doubts, they are still not converting into sales. So then again we have a email marketing sequence, that teaser, the solution offer, the answer objections emails, then social proofs, and then finally a special offer to have a sales conversion completely done. Engaging in educational content. So apart from email, the leads will also be engaged with educational content. So what kind of educational content will create? First, the basics of financial assets module. There they will be understanding the different asset class where they can invest their money. Then second is family income allocation module. How much money should be put into what kind of assets, for what purpose, whether it is for need or whether it is for want. So here we will be educating him how to allocate his income for different asset class. Then family goals planning module. So in this module they will be planning their family goals, that how to reach the higher education fund goal, how financial fund their marriage, their children's marriage fund goals, then their pension goals, their health insurance goals. Likewise, they may have a different financial target, so they will be doing it here in the family goals planning mode. Happy family module, project module. Here basically he will be converting into a hot prospect, and there he will design his entire life to make his family happy. So here if he comes in, so he is 99% ready to go with your advice and have a transaction. Then lead conversion system. So once emails marketing, email sequences and educational content will make your prospect a hot prospect from cold to hot. Now it is time to convert him. So what are the different ways through which we will convert them into the transaction and having a sales? So one to many webinar. So we can group people who are in the hot category, and then we can deliver a webinar to them and then finally convert them for the sale. Then one-to-one meeting, online or offline. We can meet personally or we can do Zoom or Google Meet. One-to-one meeting to convert the final sales. 30-day money mastery challenge. Even if they are stuck up and they are not still able to make a decision, we can offer them a 30-day money mastery challenge. There if they participate, slowly from cold stage to the cold stage, they will transit to the hot stage, and they will again accelerate the conversion of the customer and finally landing up into our paying client. Customer relationship management system. Once the customer has become our client, he is a paying client, so his relationship with him should be maintained in a very good standard. So we need to have a customer relationship management system for this. So there are two kind of customers. First we'll talk about exit customers. There are people who will join, will have a transaction, will have a sales, but still they will exit after a couple of times. So how we will focus on them, let us understand, so that we can regain them. So we'll divide them into three segments. The people who are paying less than rupees 50,000, people who are paying rupees 51,000 to 1 lakh, and people who are paying more than 1 lakh. So we'll draw an email sequence. We'll have a follow-ups on WhatsApp and calls and visits, so that that person returns to us and again have a transaction. Then we have a loyal customers. For these loyal customers, again we'll devise three different segments: less than rupees 50,000 customers, rupees 50,000 to rupees 1 lakh customers, and above rupees 1 lakh customers. So we'll give them every 2 years a review, so that they are connected with us. All his family celebration, we should have a wishes and the greeting cards going to them. Then we'll try to upsell and cross sell with them, so that these kind of a communication will help us to grow the business with them more and more over the period of time. Now what are the systems you need to have to manage the entire system? So hardwares, first we need a laptop, 8 GB RAM, ring light, camera, green screen, mic, room for studio setup. Then we need some softwares. So we need WhatsApp API to manage customer messaging, then Canva to make attractive lead magnets and infographics and many different banners, then mind map, which we will use to create our videos and content on laptop, MS Office to create multiple different types of communication and creating Excel sheets and all, showcase to the prospective clients, Google Workspace, OBS software to record videos, Filmora video editing software to create stunning videos for content marketing on different platforms, then High Presentation Maker software. So there are different softwares than PowerPoint presentation of MS Office which we can use to attract the clients with our presentation. CRM software so that our data management is always accurate and we can devise the strategies to use that data. So CRM software is a must. Then customer data management system which we can do on Google Sheet free of cost, or if you want to hire an better or some premium quality softwares, that we can also. Then Zapier to automate the interaction among different applications so that our responses are not manual, because I believe in that the more you automate your business, the more you will be relaxed and the more income and profits you will be having, and the greater customer experience will be there. So Zapier is the app which provides this automation facility, and it is fantastic app. It can be used for any business sector. Now methodology to develop financial advisory business module, the fintech business module, which we have just understood. Now what method will be implemented? I'll be inducting you in 60-day challenge. In this 60-day challenge, what you will do, live sessions of 1 hour on Zoom every Tuesday 11 a.m. will be held, so that you have entire 1 week activity explainer with me, having one-to-one interaction with me, so that you can implement the learnings of that week in entire 7 days. So every Tuesday 11 a.m. we will be having 1 hour Zoom meeting to implement the system, to develop success mindset, to develop success habits, and to develop success system. So this 60-day challenge is having 3 important aspects: developing your success mindset, developing success habits, and developing success system. Now outcomes of 60-day challenge. What outcome will be there in 60 days? All digital assets for personal branding will be ready to implement. All digital pipelines for lead generation will be ready. All systems for lead and business management will be ready. Leads database of 1000 through consent will be ready. In database, I am not recommending to purchase any database from outside, because when you use those data sets, you don't get proper response. People become sometimes very abusive. So we'll be creating the database by getting the consent of people, so that they don't respond in a negative way with us. So we'll be having 1000 people's list which they have agreed to give you their phone number and mobile number and their email IDs to give them content and nurture them as a lead. Achieving income of rupees 1 lakh in first 30 days. So in the first 30 day of the 60-day challenge, we'll be achieving the target of earning rupees 1 lakh. Putting system on business autopilot automation. So the entire business at the end of the 60-day challenge will be on autopilot. So 70 to 90% of the business will go on autopilot. You will be having very less role, including just excluding the man-to-man interaction. Every operation will be optimized and or will be put on autopilot. Now what training system I give apart from 60-day challenge? That is an accelerated fintech business model system. So where you will develop your model step by step in 60 days. Simultaneously, there is a training system which you also need to attend. Now in this training system, what you have? Advisor success system. This is the first module you will be introduced to. You have to complete this module and you will get a certificate in your mail once you complete it. Then in this advisor success system, you have a foundation module, then goal setting and success habits module. So when you complete all these 3, then you finally get your certification for advisor success system. After that, you need to attend advisor induction blueprint, then advisor field training, then advisor growth intensive. After only these 4 training module attended completely, you will be able to operate on a standard level which I expect from you. So you have to attend all these modules without fail. Coaching system. Now coaching system means I'll keep guiding you every week, so that your course correction, your course of reaching to the fintech business model development should not get derailed. It should always be on the road. So it should always be focused. So coaching system is required. So what coaching system I have? Weekly mastermind meetup every Saturday 11 a.m. So in weekly mastermind meetup every Saturday you must attend, so that I keep reminding you how to go about your fintech business model development. So this is a must to develop your millionaire business model in fintechs. Mentoring system. In the mentoring system, we will be having one-to-one video calling, or offline we'll be sitting together. We'll have a weekly planner for daily task planning. Then we'll also have a productivity tracker and weekly one-to-one review meeting with CRM and both the documents, based on both the documents, the productivity tracker and task plan. So that this will be one-to-one interaction, so that you can solve all your problems which you are facing while implementing the things. The most important aspect of all this is that it is always a result oriented process which I have designed. So there will be 20% learning but 80% implementation. If you are only learning and not implementing, it is not advised to attend anything, because learning will create only vacuum in your mind. Until unless you fill it with implementation, you will not get the result. So result oriented approach should be there and 80% implementation should be there. That's why I have kept only 2 meetings in a week, and all other days you can implement the things. So 80% of the time you have an opportunity to implement. And finally, I want that your entire fintech business model management should be limited to 4-day work schedule. So in a week you must work only 4-day week, and 3 days you will have enjoyment, spending time with the family, working on hobbies or recreation, whatever you want to do. So we will develop the entire fintech business model around that. You are occupied only for 4 days in a week. Now what kind of a team you need to have when you develop your business model? So slowly you will feel the need of more people to join you. So at minimal level, what you can have, the reception and the telecaller system, then field executive to collect the different documents and checks and interacting with different offices. So a field executive is a must. Then office peon to handle the office visits of your client or managing the housekeeping things in your office. And later on, when your business swells and you need social media manager, you can hire a social media manager and a content editor. Content creator you will be there, but to edit it, to make it with high quality, and so that in your pipeline you can, in the lead management pipelines, lead nurturing, lead generation pipelines, you can fire up those content. So content editor can also be hired at the later. Skill set. What skill set you need to develop? That is very important. Let us understand this. Copywriting. Now article and email writing you must know. You need to learn it. Video and audio script making, then video making. In video making, video recording you need to learn, video editing you need to learn, webinar and one-to-one meetings, financial planning skills, system management skills, because you are having multiple systems which you need to manage, and of course counseling skills. I am not emphasizing on selling skills, because selling skills do not give big money. Counseling skills create 5 times more revenue. So counseling skills you must learn. Now the technical skills which you need: Google Workspace. There are certain different applications of Google's Workspace which we will be using in our fintech business model: Gmass, Google Sheets, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Forms and Google Sites. So we need to learn these technicals. Graphics and videos, mind map, PowerPoint presentation, Canva, video editing, OBS Studio for video recording, webinar hosting on Zoom or Google Meet. Automation tools like Zapier, MailMerge, ChatGPT and Midjourney. These will actually put our business model into autopilot mode, so that we can shrink our working only for 4 days in a week. If you don't learn this, you will be busy 24 hours 7 days. So if you learn these automation tools, it will shrink your work into the 4 days in a week, but still you will have better productivity, better revenue and better income. Social media marketing on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Google My Business, and there are various other platforms. We'll take them later on. Now there are 2 ways to go to gain leads from these platforms: organic outreach, that we will do to populate your social media community, and then paid campaigns will be running so that we get faster results. And because we want to scale up to the startup level in just 5 years, so paid campaigns will also be very important marketing tool for generating leads and business from them. Then customer database management and community for lead nurturing and email marketing. So these are the technical skills which we need to learn. Then content creation, text, audio and video, content strategy and content scheduling. Now financial and expected outcomes. So if you invest up to rupees 50,000 in fintech business model on yearly basis, you can expect hyper local business. That is, you will be gaining the business from the vicinity of your local area. Expected income rupees 50,000 to 1 lakh per month. And if you invest up to rupees 5 lakh in this business, again it will be an hyper local business. Expected income will be rupees 1 to 5 lakh per month. And if you are investing rupees 50 lakh in this business, multi-city business, you can start with it, because in one city you will not be having sufficient opportunity to invest and getting the leads, so you can start a multi-city operation. Expected income will be rupees 10 lakh to 30 lakh per month, and rupees 1 crore or more if you want to invest in this business. Then multi-city and multi-state business operations you can start. Expected income will be rupees 50 lakh to rupees 2 crore per month. So this is how you can expect to invest, expect income vis-a-vis the financials you invest into it. And what if for every business model there is no short success? So you may have a downside also, that you don't succeed. So what happens if you don't succeed here? What you can do with whatever you have learned, you have implemented. So that is what I am giving you insight on. So you gain rich experience of launching a real business. You gain most valuable skills like personal branding, content marketing and social media marketing. You don't incur huge loss because you are not investing huge amount of money. You can become a business coach helping other industries to leverage online systems and business opportunities. You can replicate this business model which you learn here in fintech business model into other industries if you want to start a new industry. So thank you very much friends. I hope you got the idea of online financial advisory mastery business module. I am the only person who is talking about this model in this industry. Around you will not find the people skilled enough to work on such models, and you will not find the advisors who are doing their business on such a scale, on such a different level. So when you build this business model, you will be the only one who is doing it in your vicinity, in entire city even, and whatever niche launching I'll enable to you, you will be the only one who is working there. Another alternative will not be there. So you have a high chance of success field, because people are earning huge money. They are looking for the professional advisors. The old agency teams with the companies are not up to the mark to address their concerns, their wealth management needs, their professional advice needs. So I'm developing this entire team of new tech savvy advisors who will be starting with solopreneurship, and finally in 5 years they will be launching their own startup, may scale to 100 crore. So if you want to start this journey, it begins from here. There is a link in the description to fill up the form. Fill that Google form and submit it. I will have a one-to-one interaction with you to understand how suitable you are for my fintech business model, training, coaching, and finally launching your startup. And if everything goes in green, then we'll have a shake hand and we'll move together to build your startup, 100 crore startup. Thank you very much and wish you best of luck.